If you're over 50 and YouTube feels overwhelming, today I'm going to give you 3 copy and paste ChatGPT prompts that will create your channel idea, your first script, and your description in just minutes. And then I'll tell you the quick story of how I use them at 55. I'm not an expert. I'm your proof. I was afraid to touch all this stuff just 5 minutes ago. And now I'm going to show you exactly what I typed and what happened. Here's my quick promise to you. You don't need to be techie. If you can copy and paste, you can do this. And you're not going to break anything. The worst that can happen, you might have to hit backspace a few times. Here's the plan. Prompt number 1 gives you your channel idea. Prompt number 2 gives you your first video script. Prompt 3 gives you your description. So you're not staring at a blank screen wondering what YouTube wants. Okay, prompt number 1. This is for the moment when you think, what would I even talk about? Give me 10 YouTube channel ideas for someone over 50 who wants to share life lessons. Then ask me 5 simple questions to narrow it down.
Watch this. Copy, paste, enter. Now look, it gives me ideas, and then it asks me questions, like a little friendly quiz. This is how you stop feeling stuck.
Here's the rule I want you to use. Pick the channel idea that you could talk about without trying to sound smart. If you have to put on a fake YouTube voice to do it, skip it. We're not performing, we're helping. Here are some examples for over 50 creators. Beginner tech explained slowly. Budgeting after 50. Meal planning and realistic wellness. Decluttering and organization. Life lessons I wish I knew at 30. And yes, your hobbies count. Sewing, gardening, pets, all of it. And if you're thinking, but who would watch me? People watch the person that makes them feel safe. And that can be you. Prompt number 2 is where the magic happens, because this is the part that makes most people freeze. The script.
Write a 3 to 4 minute YouTube script for beginners about insert your topic here. Use a warm, calm tone. Include a 10-second hook, 3 main points, and a simple call to action. Write it like you're talking to a friend who feels overwhelmed by tech. Okay, I paste it, hit enter, and boom. There's a hook, there are bullet points, there's a clean structure. This is what people mean when they say it helps you get started.
Now listen, don't read it word for word like you're doing a book report. Use it like a recipe. You adjust it, you taste it, you make it sound like you. If a line feels weird in your mouth, delete it. You're the boss. Here's the little add-on that can make a script feel personal. After it writes the script, you say, rewrite this in my voice. Friendly, simple, honest language. I'm over 50 and I'm learning out loud. One quick safety note, don't paste private stuff into ChatGPT, like your phone number, address, medical info, passwords. Keep it general. We're using it for ideas and structure, not your personal paperwork. Prompt number 3 is for the part that makes people feel personally victimized by YouTube. Okay, maybe not. It's the description box.
Write a YouTube description for a video about insert your topic here. For beginners over 50. Include a 2-sentence summary, 3 bullet points of what they'll learn, and 5 simple keywords. Keep it warm and not salesy. See how it gives you a clean summary and bullets? That's what you want. Clear, calm, helpful.
Here's a tiny trick that helps a lot. The first 2 lines matter the most because that's what people see before they click more. So make those first 2 lines say exactly what problem you're solving. Okay, quick story time. At 55, I really did feel like it was just too late for me to learn something new. And then I found ChatGPT and I just started asking it questions, kind of like I would ask a friend sitting in the break room, like, okay, what do I do first? And it didn't just give me answers. It gave me momentum, not perfection, momentum. So here's your simple checklist. Prompt number 1 gives you your channel idea. Prompt number 2 gives you your first script. Prompt number 3 gives you your description. And if you want these copy paste prompts, just comment prompts and I'll put them in the pinned comment. So all you have to do is copy and paste and you don't have to type a thing. And tell me, what are you thinking about starting? Budgeting, organization, sewing, pets? I'll be in the comments cheering you on.